Hey guys, so a few quick updates here. There's actually a surprisingly large amount of stuff that I want to talk about in today's episode. A few updates. The most important one, I'll be uploading a little less regularly for probably the foreseeable future. We'll see how we go. I've just recently got a really exciting, cool job. It's a job I've done previously, which I've spoken about on the channel before. With a company called Relics Exhibitions. I'll be working on making some cool Lego stuff, which is really cool, really exciting. But, you know, normally my job is making YouTube videos, and that takes up almost all of my day kind of thing. So I won't be able to upload daily videos for, again, the foreseeable future. We'll see how we go. Currently, my plan is what I want to do is do a minimum of 2 videos a week. Ideally aim for like 3 videos a week, 4 videos a week. 2 minimum, 4, 5, maybe more if I can. But I'm going to try and aim for a video every second day. But I want to, see how I go with this new job and, see how my evenings are when the job is finished and all that sort of stuff. I just got to kind of test the waters a little bit and, manage my time and do all that sort of stuff. But yeah, just letting you know there's going to be a few less uploads for the foreseeable future. Also, in January, I'll put the dates up on the screen because I'm going to get them wrong off the top of my head. I'll be at Brickvention in Melbourne, Australia. So, hey, if you're going to be there, let me know. I'd love to hang out, love to say hi. If you're going to be displaying your mock, I'm excited to see it. I'll be displaying a few mocks. I currently have just finished my big old system castle that I'll be bringing there. I don't know if I'm going to have a teaser photo. If there is, I'll put it up on the screen right now. If it's not, well, I can say that it is, of course, castle related, specifically Black Falcon related, which is exciting. So stay tuned for that coming soon. I do plan on bringing a few Bionicles as well. I'm going to try and build a new one in between now and when Brickvention happens. So stay tuned for that as well. Very exciting. And I'll bring a couple other ones that are up on my shelf. You'll have to wait and see what I bring. Also had a fair few people ask, are we going to get HF Feb next year in 2025? Because, of course, we had one earlier this year in 2024. Yeah, HF Feb, if you're not familiar with it, is just me dedicating all of my videos to Hero Factory for the entire month. That will indeed be happening still. Whether or not that's videos daily in February, we'll have to wait and see. I imagine it will be, but I don't know. We'll see how we go. We just have to test the waters with that kind of stuff. The other thing that also typically happens during this time of year in December is Abyssmas Christmas, which is me doing doubled up episodes of the Bionicle Inspiration series. One's just your normal regular Bionicle Inspiration series episode, and the other one is purely fan-submitted mocks as a little present to you guys. I would love to do that this year. I unfortunately don't have the time with this job that I'll be doing. So unfortunately, no Bissmas Christmas this year, but I don't know. I'll see what I can do. Hopefully I can find some ways to give you some Christmas treats as best I can, but no promises. I'll do what I can. So yeah, no Bissmas Christmas, sadly. But something I do want to be doing, which I do every single year, is at the very, very end of the year, I like to do a little best mocks of the year video. I've done some for at least the last sort of 4 or 5 years now, and they're really fun to do. It's fun to count down, 10, maybe even a little more of the best mocks that were built that year, specifically Bionicle stuff, maybe a bit of system as well. I already have a rough idea of what I think some of those mocks are going to be, but I would love to hear your guys' opinions on what you think are the best mocks of 2024. So if you've got suggestions, let me know. Leave them in the comments below, send me an email with this email that's on your screen right now, or just reach out to me on social media or Discord or whatever, and send me links, images, whatever, to the mocks that you think were the best that were made this year. Why am I holding a pen? So yeah, I'd kind of love that video to very much be like the whole community's thoughts and opinions. I'll kind of get a big pool together of all these different ideas of what you guys think your best mocks are, what I think my favorite mocks are, all that kind of stuff. And then I'll kind of create a list that it keeps everyone's opinions in mind, because that sounds more fun, doesn't it? All right, that's pretty much it. But hey, in case you weren't paying attention, here's a quick recap. Won't be doing daily uploads for a little bit moving forward. If I can, I will. But the fewest you'll see per week is 2 videos. Ideally going to aim for 3 or 4 videos per week. We'll see how we go with time. Bissmas Christmas is unfortunately not happening, although I hope you still have a very Merry Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate during this time. And if you don't celebrate any holidays during this time, I hope you just have a good day anyway. And then I'd love to hear some of your suggestions for your favorite Bionicle mocks of 2024. leave them in the comments, send it to me on social media, whatever, and I'll see you at Brickvention 2025 in Melbourne, Australia. Very exciting. That's all, guys. Love you tons. Happy building, and bye for now.